Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The future top-end flagship, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, reported to launch alongside the Redmi Turbo 5 series, flagship smartwatch, and more. According to the latest available data, Xiaomi's president has already switched to the Xiaomi 17 Ultra smartphone. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New reports about the Xiaomi 17 Ultra's launch point to an early announcement on December 26, and well-known tipster Digital Chat Station has now leaked all of the devices that are expected to launch alongside Xiaomi's top-tier flagship. As per the latest rumor, Xiaomi will announce its Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 powered Xiaomi 17 Ultra, alongside two Redmi mid-range offerings, which are most likely the Redmi Turbo 5 and Turbo 5 Pro. On the other hand, Weibing, president of Xiaomi Group, has upgraded his phone. On his Weibo profile, he's changed his previous Xiaomi 17 Pro Max to the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Many Xiaomi fans have been asking him in the comments about the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, but so far, there are no answers. Xiaomi's president typically upgrades to a new flagship smartphone just before the announcement. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra has now received 3C certification. The model numbers are mentioned in the video. The former is the standard version, while the latter supports dual satellite networks. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra will be the new smartphone, and the only flagship on this platform with a 1-inch camera sensor. The smartphone will feature a flat display with improved superpixel technology, delivering a resolution higher than 2K with reduced power consumption, as well as an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner. The device will feature a 7000 mAh battery, with fast 100 watts wired, and 80 watts wireless charging, IP68 protection, and an updated triple camera system. The main camera is a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV5TX, with a 1-inch sensor and extended dynamic range. The system will be complemented by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 200-megapixel module with 5x optical zoom. The release of the next flagship camera phone, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, is coming soon, expected on December 25th. Several Xiaomi retail locations have begun accepting blind pre-orders. The expected price is around $1,100. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.